In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to a page on WordPress.com. This straightforward process will allow you to enhance your website with dynamic maps, inviting visitors to interact with your location and explore your content in a more engaging way. So let's start to get my mom. Let's dive in and get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the WordPress.com login page. If you're not yet logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on your WordPress.com dashboard, you'll notice a menu on the left sidebar. Here, you should locate and click on Posts. By doing so, you'll be directed to a list of your most recent posts. Find the post or page you wish to edit and hover over it, then select Edit. In this tutorial, we're going to use Elementor, a popular WordPress plugin that makes designing web pages visually intuitive. If you haven't already done so, ensure that the Elementor plugin is installed and activated on your WordPress site. Now, once you're in your post or page editing screen, look for the button labeled Edit with Elementor and click on it. This will redirect you to the Elementor Page Builder interface, where you can see your post as a live preview. With the Elementor editor open, let's add Google Maps to your page. In the Elementor panel on the left, locate the search box. Here, type in Maps. You'll see the Google Maps widget appear in the search results. Click and drag the Google Maps widget from the search results and drop it onto your page where you want the map to be displayed. You should now see a map automatically embedded on your page. At this point, a default location is shown on your newly added map. We need to customize it to suit your needs. Click on the Map widget to bring up its settings in the Elementor panel. Within the panel, you can input a specific address you'd like to display. Simply type in the address or landmark name, and the map will update to reflect this location. You can also zoom in or out to set your preferred view, adding a personal touch and precision to the map display. Once you're satisfied with the map placement and settings, it's time to save your changes. Click the Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel to ensure all your edits are stored. And there you have it. A Google Map successfully added to your WordPress page. Not only does this add a layer of interaction for your site visitors, but it also enhances your page's utility and aesthetics. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With this simple approach, incorporating maps into your WordPress site is as easy as dragging and dropping. Now your audience can easily find your location and enjoy a more comprehensive online experience. Stay tuned for more WordPress tips and tricks.